everyone, so your Queen Alice is here with another fabulous and very tremendous project. So before starting the further review, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further upcoming notification and videos. So guys, let's start our today's review of the amazing project. So today I am here with a chill sun. As you can see on my screen, it's the chill sun. Just a chill son looking for his dad. So it is on Phantom and you can see their Dex tool chart also. So it is on Phantom and you can see their Dex tool chart also. I will show you in later part of my video. And here is their token address. You can copy from it and you can buy it from your wallet. So here you can see it is coming soon on Gate.io, BitGet, BingX and LBank, Get.io. So it will be coming on the major exchanges soon. So you have to join it and you have to be updated about this amazing project. So we are on the roadmap to heaven. So here you can see our amazing roadmap and our future planning, and you can see their stages, stage 1, 2 and 3. What is our stage 1 is about the conceptualization. We will do research, team building, white paper, compliance and the community. Stage 2 of the roadmap is about the development, blockchain, wallets, website testing and the listing. Stage 3 is the launch, token sale, marketing, use cases, education and the feedback. So guys, this was about its amazing roadmap. So here you can see their roadmap, how to buy. So these are the simple steps to how to buy this amazing token. I will describe you each and everything related to this amazing token. You have to watch full video till end. Don't skip any part of the video to be sure about this project. So guys, if you are facing problem to how to buy this project, I will tell you each and everything. Have you gone through all of these steps before? Great, then just hit the button down below and fill up your bag with meme coin right now. What is the step 1? You have to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select a reputable exchange known for its security measures, user-friendly interface and support for your specific cryptocurrency. Consider factors such as trading fees, available trading pairs and the customer support options to ensure the exchange meets your needs. So what is the next step? Step 2 is sign up and verify. Register for an account on the chosen exchange by providing basic information such as your name, email address, password. Complete any required verification step, which may include providing your identification document and proof of address. This verification process helps ensure compliance with the regulation and enhance account security. So step 3 is deposit fund. So step 3 is deposit funds. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into it using one of the supported payment method. This can include bank transfers, credit cards or other payment options offered by the exchange. Follow the instructions provided by the exchange to complete the deposit process and be aware of any associated fees or processing time. So what's the next step? Place your order. Navigate to the exchange trading section and locate the trading pair for your cryptocurrency and dollars. So choose whether to place a market order which executes immediately at the current market price or a limit order where you specify the price at which you want to buy. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase and you will have to review your details. Then wait and check your wallet. After placing your order, wait for it to execute it, and then once your order is filled, verify that purchase cryptocurrency in your wallet exchange. So you can buy it on the Phantom. So this was about a little bit introduction of this chill sun. Now I will show you its price on the Dex screener. So here you can see the completely bluish graph of the Dex screener of chill sun. Here you can see its value, which is increasing day by day. And here you can see its price in USDT, and here you can see its liquidity, market cap. So guys, if you hold it today, you will be get benefited tomorrow. So I would request you to join this amazing platform if you are looking for a golden opportunity. So their website, Twitter and Telegram official links are also provided on the screener. You can join from here. So this was about their price chart, and now I will show you their community. So guys, they are on Twitter and Telegram. So guys, here you can see I am also following them on Twitter. So you have to join their social media accounts for the latest updation and the latest announcement. So here you can see about their latest announcement on their Twitter, trying to get your knowledge before we have to talk to it, dad. Please don't make me force by hand. So here is child sport information in detail. So here you can see all the related announcement about the Chilson on the Twitter account. As you can see their related post, and here is our Chilson. So now I will show you their Telegram community. So this is their Telegram community. So guys, I am also part of their community. I would request to join their community if you want to be get benefited. So guys, this was a little bit introductions of the Chilson. I would request to join it today if you're looking for a golden opportunity. So guys, how was the video? Please like and comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.